Well, welcome to our episode 5 of the College Health, Education, and Social Transformation video podcast. Once again, my name is Philip Post, and I'm fortunate to serve as the Interim Associate Dean for Academics alongside my colleague, Dr. Keller. I just want to first and foremost welcome all of our Aggies back on campus, our students, staff, and faculty. It is now day 2 of our fall semester, and it's just great to see life on campus return to some normalcy. So hopefully you all are excited for the fall semester. We're really excited to have you on campus and see everyone walking around going to class. We know this is going to be a great year. Obviously with COVID-19, we're still in a little flux, but I encourage all of our students to make sure you follow your safety commitments and COVID commitments that have been laid out to the university to ensure that we have the safest return to campus as possible. Even though we're going to have the safety protocols in place, continue to look out for events in the college and in your departments. We are still hoping to have some fun events as a college, bringing people together. I know the departments within our college are going to be looking to hold events for our students as well. So once again, welcome back on campus. We're really excited to have you, and we're looking forward to a great fall semester. So for episode 5, we want to continue our series with our department heads and school directors. And for today, we're welcoming Dr. Alexa Doig, who is the Director of School of Nursing. I've gotten to serve on a couple committees with Alexa, and I'm always impressed with her commitment to her students, her commitment to the School of Nursing, and making that program one of the best in the Southwest. I know the program, along with the faculty and staff, since her arrival in 2017, has really positioned itself as being one of the great programs here in the Southwest. So if you're a nursing student or interested in nursing, Nmsu is a great place to learn and thrive. A little bit of background on Dr. Doig. She came here, as I said, in 2017, but she actually started off her academic journey as an engineer, as she graduated from McGill University as an engineer, then going to the University of Utah to get her Bachelor's of Science in Nursing, her master's degree, and doctoral degree in nursing. A couple other important highlights for Dr. Doig. One, in 2009, she was awarded the National Patient Safety Board Research Grant to study patient monitoring practices of acute care oncology nurses. And in 2011, she became a Robert Wood Johnson Foundation Nurse Faculty Scholar. In 2013, she took over as the chair for the Division of Acute and Chronic Care in the College of Nursing at the University of Utah. And we are fortunate to have her join us in 2017, where she has continued to serve as the director of the School of Nursing program here at New Mexico State University. So again, welcome to Dr. Doig, and I'm excited as she will talk about the great program that we have here at Nmsu.
My name is Alexa Doig, and I am the director of the New Mexico State University School of Nursing. My role as director is to oversee all of the programs and faculty here at the School of Nursing. And what I want to do today is talk to you a little bit about our programs and give you a brief overview of what we have to offer here at Nmsu in terms of nursing careers. So the Nmsu School of Nursing has a number of different programs. Our undergraduate program is a Bachelor of Science in Nursing degree, and when you graduate from this program, we call it the BSN program, then you are eligible to take the Registered Nurse or RN licensing exam. We have a Bachelor of Science in Nursing program at the Las Cruces campus, but we also have programs at the Alamogordo and Nmsu Grants campuses as well too. We have an accelerated BSN program for individuals who already have a prior degree in another field, and so that program is called the Roadrunner program, and it allows you to start in the summertime with fewer prerequisites than our traditional program, and then go 5 semesters straight and then graduate and be able to take your RN licensing exam. For those of you who are taking the more traditional route, you might be a high school student or a high school graduate, and or maybe an undergraduate student at at Nmsu who is interested in switching to nursing. In that case, you would be following our traditional 4-year BSN degree plan, and that ends up, what you'll end up doing is taking a certain number of prerequisite courses, science courses, and other writing courses, and all your gen ed courses, and then you'll be applying to the BSN program. It's a competitive application process, and so it's important to do well in those prerequisite courses. We also have a master's degree program. It's a Master of Science in Nursing, and the specialty area in that master's degree is in administration and leadership. And so this is a degree for individuals who are interested in becoming nurse managers or other leaders within an organization, or maybe even a chief nurse officer. Nmsu also has a doctoral degree in nursing. It's called the Doctor of Nursing Practice, and it's a practice-based degree program, doctoral degree program. We offer 2 specialties in the DNP program currently. You can become a family nurse practitioner through our DNP degree, or a psychiatric mental health nurse practitioner. Family nurse practitioners work in primary care settings, and psychiatric mental health nurse practitioners work with individuals who have mental health or behavioral health problems. We are in the process of developing and launching a new specialty in the DNP degree, and that is a nurse anesthesiology specialty. And individuals who would graduate from this program would be eligible to sit for the certification exam to become a certified registered nurse anesthetist, delivering anesthesia, usually in the operating room setting. That program will not start until January of 2023. We're in the process of developing that program at this point in time. We have more information on all of our programs on the Nmsu School of Nursing website, and so be sure to check us out there and get more information about the degree plans, application processes, and admission criteria. So why should a prospective nursing student consider Nmsu's nursing program? And I'll talk primarily about our undergraduate program here. We are a member of the New Mexico Nursing Education Consortium, and our faculty work with other nursing faculty from around the state to advance nursing education. We give a very strong foundation in nursing upon which you'll build your nursing career, and strong courses and very strong clinical training. We have close to 800 hours of clinical training in our program. We have faculty who are very dedicated to student success, and that's one of the most important things when you're considering a nursing program, is you want a program that's going to support you as you work through this very challenging curriculum. We have very good clinical sites with nurses who are dedicated to training the next generation of nurses, and we partner very closely with these different clinical sites. And in addition to hospital-based clinical training, Nmsu also has a strong emphasis on public and community health nursing as well too, and provides clinical experiences in these areas. I was asked if I had any advice for students interested in becoming a nurse. So first off, it is an amazing career choice, and there's so many opportunities and options once you have earned that Bachelor of Science in Nursing degree. In addition to nurses being in very high demand these days, nursing offers incredible career flexibility. You can work in many different settings, hospitals, clinics, community health centers, or even in private industry as a nurse. You can change specialties without having to go back to school. For example, if you started off as a medical surgical nurse working on a floor with patients who were admitted with medical issues or after large surgeries, and you're working primarily with adults, you could actually apply to and take a position as a pediatric nurse or a labor and delivery nurse without having to go back to school and do a lot of training. Nurses end up doing a lot of that specialty on the job training when they're hired. As an RN, you can earn different certifications. So for example, if you were working in the intensive care unit setting, you could take a certification exam and become a certified critical care registered nurse, a CCRN. And that is something that you can do to advance your knowledge and also advance your career. You can also go back to school and earn a graduate degree. As I mentioned before, we have master's degrees and the Doctor of Nursing Practice degree at Nmsu currently. And you could become a nurse administrator, an educator, a nurse practitioner, or one of the other advanced practice nursing roles like CRNA or a certified nurse midwife. So if you're a high school student who is interested in nursing, one of the most important things that you can do is focus on your science courses, the math, biology, chemistry, and if you have the opportunity, anatomy and physiology are also great to take. Your English and other writing courses are very important since communication is a very important skill in the nursing profession. And we also encourage students to get some exposure to healthcare, a part-time job, volunteer work, or shadowing. So it's important that you make a career choice that is right for you. If you have any questions about the nursing program, as I said before, please go to our website. If you are a high school student or a pre-nursing student here on the Nmsu campus, all of our pre-nursing advising is done by the Center for Academic Advising and Student Success, our central advising office. However, we also have a School of Nursing advising office with advisors who are willing to answer questions. If you go to our website, there is contact information for our advising office. So I hope you will consider Nmsu School of Nursing for your future career if you're interested in healthcare or, of course, in the nursing profession.
Well, I want to thank Dr. Doig for talking to our students and our prospective students and giving an overview of the School of Nursing and, again, the wonderful programs that we have within that school. I'm sure you can tell the passion that Dr. Doig has for the program and the students in the nursing program. So coming here to Nmsu, you know you're going to be in good hands as that particular school and Dr. Doy do everything they can to make sure that their students are successful. Look forward for future podcasts. In our episode 6, we're looking forward to have Dr. David Lacanto, who is the department head for our sociology program, for him to talk a little about that particular program and the great opportunities the students have in sociology. So until then, I look forward to seeing everyone around campus. And remember, always continue to check us out on social media, and we'll talk to you soon.